Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing my makeup because it's my birthday and I have to go to work, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So you want to see how I do my makeup for my birthday, just keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos from me later on. Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's finally the day, it's my birthday, and I'm gonna get ready because I had to go to work. And yeah, and I put this ponytail to look a little put together because everything is closed. The hair salon, the nail salon, everything is closed, so I wanted it to look a little bit presentable, at least on the day of my birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna do my skincare. I have this Drunk Elephant moisturizer. Moisturize my skin. For sunscreen, I have the Super Goop Glow Screen, which is this one right here. I will not be spending my birthday how I wanted it to be spending my birthday, but there's nothing we can do about it, so I just had to make the best of it, whatever. That's my skincare. I look so glowing. For brow, I have this e.l.f. brow pencil. Just go. I think I overfilled it in this color. It's very light for me. Okay, my brows look like a hot mess, but I promise you guys that it will not end up being like this. Wet n Wild concealer and clean my brows. That's my brows. Let me get rid of this concealer. I will leave my brows like that for now. I will use the Huda Beauty foundation. It's a very full coverage foundation. But let me just do my eyeshadow first. I'm obsessed right now with the Amazing palette. I can't stop using this palette. I love it. It's so gorgeous. It's beautiful. So I would do something real quick because, like I say, I don't really have much time. I have to go to work. Yeah, this palette, beautiful, hermoso. I would take some of the Wet n Wild concealer and apply it to my eyelid to use as an eyeshadow primer to make the shadow pop more. I can't believe you guys that I'm turning turning 27 today, and yeah, 27 years old. I remember when I was just turning 20, when I wanted it to be old. Well, I don't mind being 27. I will mind it when I'm like 40, 50. Okay. So this palette has this color called Gemini, which is my sign. But I don't think I would do that color. It's too much for the occasion. I mean, I'm going to work. I think I'm gonna use Anastasia. That color right there. I will do something super simple. Nothing too crazy. I will take the color New Yorker first and apply that on my crease. And then I will take a little bit of that Anastasia color. That let me take my favorite brush to apply shimmer. It's by Body or Graphy. I will take a little bit of setting spray. So like I told you guys, I would take this color Anastasia and add it to my inner corner. See, love it. Like, you guys see that shimmer? I don't want to do nothing too crazy because I'm not really gonna be able to show my whole face today. I have to wear that mask the whole day at work. But I want to do my makeup because, you know, by the time I get home, I doubt it that I'm gonna feel like putting makeup. I love Anastasia stuff, and they have never disappointed me. Like, only once I bought a palette that it was like a bad bash. Everybody got disappointed. It wasn't only me. But that on the entire, like, I have so many palettes of her. Only that time I was a little disappointed. But then from there on, everything was Gucci. Initially I wanted to use this lashes bodies by Body B, but then they're too dramatic to go to work and I don't want to be uncomfortable. So instead I'm gonna use the Baby Doll lashes. You can see it from there. So they look like this, and I will apply them first because I was doing a live with my cousin and that's how she do it, and it makes more sense because I do take a long time to apply my lashes, and sometimes I mess up my makeup by doing that. So we're gonna do it differently today. We're gonna try something different. Okay, let me get the mirror closer to me. Yeah, mascara. Another favorite of mine is this Essence Lash Prince mascara. Super good.
20 minutes later.
Out of time, you guys. So I will leave it like that, and then so for foundation I have here the Huda Beauty foundation. Let me see, it just feel like this. It's not even well put. I put a little bit of this foundation all that time, and now it's when I'm gonna apply my foundation, and I running out of time. Like I had to leave like within half an hour. Concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and the color Natural Bin. Wasn't even able to add primer because these lashes took all my time. For contour, I have here the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color of Truffle, and I'm gonna contour my nose. For setting powder, Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm gonna add to comb my contour, and also to set my concealer. Set everywhere. Since I have to wear that mask, I need to make sure that my makeup stay in place. Take that powder off. Then I'm gonna take my bronzer, the Fenty Beauty Iceland Tint bronzer, to bronze my skin. I just cleaned my contour and then I fucked it up. I took a little bit of this Wet n Wild powder from their contour palette. Dulce de leche. Okay, my under eye. I would take the color 1988, which is this color right here, and apply it on my under eyelid. Just a little bit. While that the lashes dries off, I'm gonna add mascara on my lower lashes. Oh my goodness. Almost done, people. Like, I'm running out of patience. My lashes don't want to stick for nothing. Like, I don't know what it is. I can't, for the life of me, I cannot apply these lashes.
To the left. To the right. To the left. To the right. To the left.
I finally have it on. I would take the, let me move this out of my way. I would take that Anastasia color and add more because after all this glue, hello?
Happy birthday to you.
You know I'm recording myself and I'm running out of time.
Happy birthday, you. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
Bye. My boyfriend is just crazy people. For blush, I have this pretty vulgar blush. Yeah, blush. Setting spray, I have the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay, so for lip, I have the NYX round lip liner. You guys seen this everywhere. Then for lipstick, I have the Milani Lavish lipstick in number 1. I'm gonna let this dry. I feel like I need something. I know my lipstick look horrible, but don't worry, we will fix it. I would take a little bit of this color right here, bar, and add it to like the center to give it like a pop of color right there. Okay, I'm gonna go back with the brown lipstick. Little bit of lip gloss, even though I shouldn't because I have a stupid mask on, but just a little bit, tiny bit. Just put it lower like this for the. Okay, you guys, so this is my birthday makeup. I hope you like this video. Bye. ¿Ah? Tú estabas afuera. Pero you had to hit it con una algo. Can I even turn this?